Right now, our country feels deeply divided. It's painful to watch, and maybe you have felt the weight of it too. But the Bible reminds us that division is not God's design for his people. In John 17:21, Jesus prayed, "That they may all be one, just as you, Father, are in me, and I in you, that they also may be in us, so that the world may believe that you have sent me." Unity is not optional. It is part of our witness. When the world sees believers loving one another across differences, they see Jesus more clearly. The Apostle Paul also urged us in Ephesians 4 verse 3, "Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace." Notice unity doesn't come naturally. It takes effort, humility, and grace. So here is the challenge. Instead of adding to the noise, let's be people who bring peace. Listen more than you argue. Show kindness where others show anger. And above all, remember that Christ is our peace, and he broke down the walls of hostility. Question for you. What is one practical way you can show Christ-like unity this week? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue to encourage one another. God bless.